Hello, welcome to um, Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys, kasi hindi ito magre-resonate talaga sa lahat dahil hindi naman ito personal reading. Pero kung mag-resonate sa'yo, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate kasi pwede rin namang hindi 100% makaresonate ka dito sa reading na to. Okay? So, meron tayong special channel for water sign. Please do check it out. Water sign Philippines. Okay? Let's start your reading. This is for the sign of water sign. Isang shuffle na lang po. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Kahit po guys, heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta. So, pa-comment na lang po. May main energy, water sign. Hindi nga pala ako nagbabasa ng reversal guys ha. Babasahin ko lang ng reversal pag naramdaman ko yung energy ng reversal. You do have your King of Pentacles, the Hierophant. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Pentacles. I see that you could be a person na stable. You could be a stable person pagdating sa career. I don't know, maybe some of you could be a teacher or you could be a teacher or someone na may mga ginaguide kang tao. Maybe you are working in the government, pwedeng ganon. Or, pwedeng may kinalaman din sa mga religious stuff, no? Or maybe you are a businessman, businesswoman. It doesn't matter. Pero sa nakikita natin, you are very professional. I feel like some of you, minsan ka nang tumulong sa iyong kapwa or sa tao. Maybe may mga itinulong ka, may binagbigay ng pagkain, nagbigay ng pera. So, I don't know, this is some kind of help. And the way I see this, kung ikaw yon na may mga ginawa kang mga pagtulong in the past, I'm seeing good karma na paparating sa'yo. And yan. I can also see a father figure. Anyway, sino tong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign. Seven of Swords and the Eight of Wands is here. I can see that could be dealing with, I don't know, pwedeng may spiritual connection kayo nito eh. Meron tayo ditong partner cards, which is the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So, may pag-iwas or paglayo na ginagawa itong person nito, maybe because of family related issues. Pero napapansin ka niya. He or she is noticing you, itsura mo, pananamit mo, career mo, everything about you. Pero parang wala lang siya talagang choice ngayon kundi umiwas. I'm seeing responsibilities here. So, ano yung emotion ninyo para sa isa't isa? Emotion ninyo para sa isa't isa? emosyon ninyo para sa isa't isa. You do have the King of Swords. No, Four of Swords. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Ace of Wands and Ten of Wands. Gusto ko pang i-clarify itong apat na cards na ito. What's with the King of Swords and the Four of Swords? Nine of Cups. What's with the Ace of Wands and the Ten of Wands? Eight of Swords. Ito hindi to para sa lahat. Some of you, pwedeng wala kang pakialam or nagpapakita ka na parang wala kang pakialam. Maybe because you do have some other options or other options sa buhay mo pagdating sa love. Yung iba sa inyo, you're acting cold. You're acting like wala lang. Sometimes nagpapakita na parang may interest ka. I don't know. I can see drunk message or mga message na sinend randomly. So, pwedeng may pagpapakita ng mga emotions patungkol sa'yo with regard sa person na ito. Pero hindi lagi. Depende lang sa mood mo. Okay? But majority is like you being cold here. There's a lot of passion, pagkagusto mula dito sa taong to. Kaya lang, the Eight of Swords could be stuck in a situation na parang maraming responsibilidad, maraming obligasyon. Parang I want to take you, parang ganun. Gusto kitang makuha or what, pero paano? Puno ako ng responsibilidad, marami akong dapat asikasuhin gawin. Maybe sa ngayon, parang wala kang pwesto ngayon sa buhay niya or sa time niya, hindi kanya mabigyan ng time whatsoever. The King of Cups and the the Tower, Ten of Pentacles, the Two of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng may emotions kayong pareho dito sa connection na ito. Pero, kung ikaw ito na may emotion sa kanya, pwedeng tinatry mo rin na tapusin or tanggalin yung emotion na yun. And maybe tinatry mong i-consider yung other options or mag-focus sa ibang options. Your person, on the other hand, gusto niya ng connection relationship with you. Pero, I feel like pinaka-majority ng problem is regarding sa physical. Maybe yung iba regarding money. Pero yung iba, kung ano yung mga bagay na meron siya, pwedeng hindi niya kayang bitawan for now. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. You do have the Two of Cups, the Devil, and the Nine of Wands. Ace of Swords. Ten of Cups. The Lovers. Oh. Gusto ko i-clarify yung Nine of Wands. What's with the Nine of Wands? Nine of Swords. Clarify the Nine of Wands, Nine of Swords, and the Devil, please. Knight of Wands. Clarify the Lovers. Eight of Cups. Clarify the Two of Cups, please. The High Priestess. And one last card. What's with the Ace of Swords? Please clarify. Two of Wands, guys. Remember like kanina nagpakita na si Queen of Pentacles. Well, nandito na naman siya sa bottom of the deck. I'm seeing the Queen of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Magkakaroon siya ng strength or lakas ng loob to, kasi alam niya na kung sino talaga or ano talagang gusto niya sa buhay niya. And I feel like that is you. So, the Ace of Cups, this is your person na pwedeng mag-offer or magbigay ng, I just saw 111. So, maybe that's an angel number for you. Kasi a new beginning sa inyo ng taong to. Kasi, I can see an offer and plano in the future para sa inyong dalawa. Maybe it's hard kasi with regards dun sa mga, the devil is showing us problema, boundaries, nagiging, hindi maganda sa connection ninyo, like, nagkakaroon ng hindi paggalaw sa connection because of the devil. But the Nine of Wands don't care anymore. Parang yung Nine of Wands is a person na parang wala na akong pakialam kung masasaktan itong the devil na ito sa buhay ko. Parang ganun. Maybe this is yung mga taong involved. And the Nine of Wands is showing here as wala na akong pakialam na masaktan sila. Kasi nasasaktan din ako Parang ganun. Kung lolokohin ko ang sarili ko na hindi ko gagawin yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawain talaga. Baga napakaiksi lang ng buhay sa mundo. And honestly, this is like a destiny kind of energy. So, you are meant to be with this person. Meant to be kayo. Kumbaga parang tinadhana. With the High Priestess, this is a soulmate connection, soulmate energy. And the Eight of Cups, this is showing to me as an eclipse, yung moon dito, that is Pisces energy. So, nakita tayo ng eclipse dyan. So, it's like, eclipse is like something na kung iisipin mo, napaka-imposible. Paanong magtatagpo ang araw at buwan? Napaka magkalayo, di ba? Kasi araw at saka gabi, paano mo pagtatagpuin yun? It's like a yin and yang kind of energy. Some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Imposible pero mangyayari. And when it happens, no one can stop it. Gustuhin man ng iba na tipigilan kasi yung iba sinasabi, hindi, malas, ganito, ganyan, sana wala lang eclipse kasi malas, etc. No. It will happen eventually. And ito itinidhana itong connection ninyo. No? Lalo na with the Lovers and the Two of Cups. I'm seeing Gemini. Of course, the Lovers is also a Gemini. And ngayon is, Jupiter is in Gemini. Saturn is in Gemini. So, I feel like there's big change na mangyayari in the future for you. Near future. Malapit na. Especially nagpakita yung angel number 111. And kahit hindi ka, actually ang pinaka-message dito, kahit hindi ka handa. But some of you, you are ready because you started to, focus on yourself, love yourself, Nag-focus ka sa self-love, self-care. And so, I feel like you are ready, pero magugulat ka na lang. Sa pagdating nitong taong to, sa itinadhanang koneksyon ninyong dalawa. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.